Hey guys, welcome to your favorite YouTube channel. $1 million is a dream number if you haven't made that amount in your life until now. And that's the first step to your financial freedom. Today we're going to unfold the secrets of those people who've made their dream of becoming a millionaire come true by doing some simple yet powerful tricks. Let's discuss 10 ways which will help you make $1 million. If the timing is right and if you follow the exact path, you might become a millionaire or even better, a billionaire. Let me warn you, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time. Also, it takes an immense amount of hard work and effort from your side to build your own empire. So as a first step, you can try any of these evergreen methods. Before we move on to the video, make sure you're subscribed to our channel so you won't miss such valuable and informative videos. Number 1. Playing with letters. You don't have to be the next J.K. Rowling to write a book, nor do you need publishers in this current era. You can self-publish your books on Kindle and still earn huge amounts. But you have to do your research before writing your books. Here, your main focus is to earn a lot of money, so you have to be patient enough to research a lot. Great authors spend years on research before they write their masterpiece. You don't have to do that, but you can try searching the best-selling books on Amazon Kindle. Refer to those books and their reviews and write a better book which actually sells. You can write hundreds of books and publish them on Kindle. If you have a taste for writing and making money, then you should do this right now. Remember, an idea is powerful if there's a market you can sell it to. It's not necessary to be unique. Number 2. Money is mowing. Cash cow YouTube channels. You can make a cash cow YouTube channel, which was once not so popular, but is the best way, in my opinion, to make money that's fully online and gives you 1,000% return of investment over time. Guess what? Nowadays, there are people making $500 to $1,000 per day through a single niche channel from AdSense only. Imagine having 20 channels, and that's a faceless niche. This can be completely outsourced by using sites like Fiverr so that you can earn money while you sleep. That would be awesome, right? This is what financial freedom means to me. Out of every other method, Cash Cow YouTube channel is the one that I choose for myself. Let me know your opinions in the comments below. Number 3. Billionaire Buddy. The simplest one in the list is also the most difficult one to work out. Did you know that about 1 in 5 millionaires in this world are millionaires not because they own a business? They work for someone else who is a multimillionaire or a billionaire. But how would you make them work with you? What is it that the people who have this rich mindset value most in the world? Time, isn't it? If you have a product or service that can add value to their life or business, or a product and service that can make their life more comfortable and save them time, then take a chance and send them an email or message them on a social media platform. Try your best to get them to talk to you. Get on a call and make them feel that they need your product and services and trap them into thinking that they're missing out if they don't use your service. But don't forget to over-deliver. Number 4. Gaming world. Imagine you could play video games all day long and still get $1 million doing nothing. Sounds interesting, right? Well, that's what I would do if I had a chance to go back to my teenage years. The time where I took each breath to play video games. But playing video games isn't enough. You also have to stream to get the money to flow. You can use platforms like Twitch or YouTube to start streaming live videos. We suggest you start streaming your game on Twitch and try to get your first 10,000 subscribers so you can monetize your Twitch account and get the cash flowing. Number 5. Drop the drop sourcing bomb. Drop sourcing. You may have heard a lot about drop shipping, but how many of you have heard about drop sourcing? Technically speaking, both drop shipping and drop sourcing are the same thing. You have to put in the same effort and the same time in both. The difference is, drop sourcing will make you a millionaire over time, while drop shipping fails to do so. If you are into e-commerce, then it's a good decision to go ahead on this one. Don't know how to do it? I'll explain. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications. That way, you'll never miss valuable knowledge that you'll never get from any other channel out there. Back to drop sourcing. First, educate yourself on basic things, like how the drop shipping system works and what are the inside secrets. Then, while manufacturing the products, ask your manufacturer to print your brand name and logo on the product. Give the customers a cashback offer if they visit your website and make them fill in their details. That way, you get their details and make a funnel and you'll get more orders eventually. That way, you can grow your brand. Speaking of funnels, let's jump into number 6, funneling the flow. Build a cash flow funnel. Funnels could be a new term to many of you out there, but most of you might have noticed that whenever you visit certain websites, they offer you an irresistible offer. When you try to access that freebie or trial, they'll ask you for your email address. It all starts with a spark. Identify that spark. This is the first step of a funnel, and if your one-page sales funnel initiates a spark in your customer and you can collect their email address, eventually you can send them emails and convert them into lifelong customers. Well, what if you don't have a product or service to offer? Well, then you can try promoting high-paying affiliate programs or products. Subscribe now, and we'll go deep into that in number 7, affiliate and convert. You might know about this field, and you may have even seen many successful people who have earned a ton doing high-paying affiliate programs. But the question is, where to find such products? What's the best product? Will this work for non-influencers? Who will buy? Well, you have to research a lot to find the one product that sells well and has enough reviews. You can find such products and affiliate programs on sites like ClickBank. How to sell if you're not an influencer, and who will buy it? This is the question we get a lot. You can use Facebook ads and Instagram ads to run campaigns to find the right customers. These customers must be so vulnerable that they'll buy for sure. So define your dream customer correctly even before you start your business. This applies to every business out there. Number 8, Internet treasures. Create digital products. This is the same as writing books on Kindle, but these digital products are all about serving people with knowledge. Knowledge is the one thing that makes people rich and makes them invest in oneself. If you know how to leverage your knowledge, you can easily make a course or an ebook and sell it for a reasonable amount. The beauty of this idea is that you only have to create the course once. You can automate everything else. In my opinion, digital assets are the ones that'll make you a multimillionaire in no time. Number 9, stamp your mark. If you're someone who loves to solve problems for people by thinking in a creative way, and you can make that thing happen, or if you already have solved a problem that many people in this world need or may need in the future, then you should get your trademark or patent as soon as possible. Believe me, these trademarks or patents are something that may even change your life. The procedures may be a little tough, but still you have to patent your idea in order to earn a huge commission for each product sold using this patented idea. Number 10, your own venture. Start a small agency or a small business. You may not have to build a multi-million-dollar business to be rich. Starting a small business or agency that runs online can do the trick. The only thing you have to do is be patient enough and have to work hard. The growing of every business is exponential, and you'll have a great team to help you get the work done. That was a lot of knowledge in a small capsule, wasn't it? Well, if you're still here with us, then you must be really serious. So here's your bonus. Number 11, be the mentor. Imagine you have knowledge in a specific niche that no one else in the world knows about. And you know this knowledge will change people's lives for sure, the way as it's changed yours. But you don't have an audience. You don't have the money. You only have the results that other people would like to have. That's all you need to create a brand for yourself and sell yourself. If you do proper marketing and an engaging video ad, then you'll get people who will pay you $100 to $1,000 or more per hour for sharing that knowledge. But you have to provide the value they're looking for. You can also upsell a personal mentorship, charging from $500 to $6,000 or more per month for 3 to 4 such calls and extra assistance for an individual. And you can increase this amount as you gain more confidence and a broader audience. You can also hire 10 to 20 people to automate this process so that you can take in more clients and enjoy your life more. Every successful businessman out there makes money out of their business. But what makes them more money is this one thing. They created a brand in their name, and then they sell their courses, mentorships, or even tickets to events. As I said earlier, it's all about the brand. Just look around and brainstorm. What could you do that suits you best? The world is filled with so many ideas, but you have to find your initial spark that's going to light up your world for sure. Thank you for spending time with us. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button so you never miss a valuable video from our side. We'll see you in the next video.